Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about Kyandong Muecom review. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from the site or not. The citizens of United States are looking forward for the information related to the legitimacy of this particular site. And in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular site. It is an online shopping site, guys, that is claiming to deal with entire products including printers, desktop and workstations, televisions, featured laptops, iPads and tablets, monitors and displays, clearance processing, etc. So they are claiming to offer these multiple products, and apart from that you can find the full-fledged description of a particular product available on the website. Now talking about the payment information, so you can see the only mode of payment which is available on the site is PayPal. You can make the payment via PayPal, and this is the full description of this particular product. Apart from that, they are claiming to serve 100% high quality items, hassle free return, 24 by 7 customer support, and privacy protection as well. And at the bottom of the web page, they have also mentioned the payment methods including American Express, Discover, JCB, MasterCard, Visa, etc. You can take a look here. Now let's check out the shipping policy of the site. And this is the shipping and returns policy page, guys. So in the processing time, they have mentioned that they ask for quality control for 1 business days, and the shipping time duration is 3 to 7 business days. Apart from that, they have also updated a note that public holidays, destination countries, and couriers will also be affected. So this was the shipping info, and according to the website details, the delivery time will be based upon processing time plus transportation time, guys. And let's discuss further, guys. So before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge the site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign, but it's really very important to define its domain creation date. So coming to the domain age factor, this domain was created on 5th of October 2019. So it means that, guys, the site is more than 1.5 year old, and this defines its legitimacy, but we can't claim the site legit on the basis of its domain age only. So it's essential to check out the company's information before making any decision. So this is the about us page. They have provided the our mission or our advantages information, but they have not updated the entire info related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc., which is a negative sign here. Now let's check out the contact us page of this particular site to know more about the contact details, as contact details are crucial or essential for defining a particular website's legitimacy. So this is the contact us page. Here they have mentioned an email address which doesn't matches with the domain name, guys, which is not a good sign here. Apart from that, they have also mentioned the query form for your queries. So this was the information related to contact details, and this makes a confusion regarding the legitimacy of the site, guys. Now talking about the social media presence, so the site has no social media presence at all, as we have also found on internet regarding the social media pages, but we are not able to find the social media existence of this particular site. This is again a negative sign. Now coming to the return policy of this site, this is the return policy page, guys. Here they have mentioned the return procedure or return information. So according to the website details, the consumer requests a return within 7 days, guys. So do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And talking about Kyandong Muecom review, guys, we didn't found customer reviews about this site on the internet or on the official website, which is not a good sign again. And talking about the trust index score of this site, so this is a 14%, and here it is a warning, guys, because this site uh, is not reliable according to the entire loopholes or according to the trust index score. So it's still very important to define the entire factors before making any online purchase or before making any decision. So guys, unavailability of customer reviews on popular review sites again is a red high alert. And apart from that, according to the details or scam advisor reports, this site has a low LXR rank, and the owner of the website is using a service to hide their identity on WHOIS. So these are the loopholes of this website, and this site is not much popular online due to these factors. So yes, in the final conclusion, we would say this site appears to be suspicious, guys, and we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as this contains various loopholes or drawbacks. So guys, for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.